Today I'm spilling the beans on how I turned DeepSeek AI into a trading juggernaut that outshined 99% of pro traders. I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step, setting up the AI, crafting trading rules, linking it to a broker or an exchange, and revealing the exact settings that racked up over 700 profits. Before getting into the nitty-gritty, let me show you this is legit. Check out my live trading account. You can see every trade the AI executed. Now, full disclosure, this is not a magic money machine. The market was trending hard during my test period, which gave us a boost. When markets go sideways, even AI can stumble, so I've built in some fail-safes I'll share later. Let's start with the TradingView chart. I'm using Solana's price chart as an example, but this setup works for crypto, stocks, or Forex. Your choice. For our first strategy, I'm picking the 15-minute time frame and going indicator-based. Open the indicator search bar and type reversal trade detector and add it to your chart. At first glance, this tool looks basic and some signals can be off, but don't worry, I'll show you how to filter out 90% of the dots. First, let's talk about why this indicator is awesome. It spots potential reversal points by catching change of character or CHOCH and inducement moves. Yep, we're diving into smart money concepts. Here's the deal. Change of character happens when the price breaks key structure levels, hinting at a shift in market direction. For example, in a downtrend with lower highs and lows, a change of character occurs when the price surges above a major lower high, signaling a potential trend flip. Inducement moves, on the other hand, are sneaky counter-trend price spikes that trick traders into bad positions before a reversal. This indicator nails those zones with precision. Now, let's build a killer strategy. Fire up DeepSeek. This AI is unreal for what we're about to do. Open TradingView's Pine editor, grab the reversal trade detector's script, and feed it to DeepSeek. I'm asking it to analyze the code and cook up a profitable strategy for Solana's 15-minute chart, using volume, trend, and RSI filters to weed out weak signals. I also want stop loss and take profit levels based on ATR. Paste the script into DeepSeek and watch it work its magic. It breaks down the indicator, crafts a strategy with precise buy-sell conditions, and spit out a complex Pine script. Back in TradingView, create a new strategy script. Clear the default code and paste in DeepSeek's algorithm. In the past, you'd shell out thousands for a pro to write this. Now it's free, and the strategy to your chart. If you spot an error, no biggie. Just ask DeepSeek to fix it. I'll tweak the code until it's smooth. Start by setting the change of character detector period to 48, ATR multiplier for stop loss and take profit to 3.5, and EMA period for the trend filter to 39. Disable the volume and RSI filters to balance signal frequency and accuracy. Check the performance: a 72% win rate, 3.2 profit factor, and 110% profit with just a 6% drawdown. Killer for a 15-minute time frame. The trade list shows massive winning streaks over 4 months. Test it on a demo account first, and if it vibes, go live. If you want to know how to automate it 24/7, all for free, make sure to watch the entire tutorial until the end, because I've got a surprise for you up my sleeve. But wait, there's more. The 15-minute strategy is cool, but the 4-hour strategy I built with DeepSeek is next level, delivering over 700% returns. Search for support resistance plus trend lines on TradingView. This indicator autoplots dynamic trend lines from pivot points and horizontal support and resistance levels based on past price action. It catches trend line breakouts and key level breaks, perfect for spotting major trend shifts on a 4-hour chart. Back in DeepSeek, grab the indicators code from Pioneer and ask for a swing trading strategy for Solana's 4-hour chart, focusing on trend line and level breakouts with filters like Super Trend, EMAs, MACD, and ADX for max win rate. DeepSeek delivers a detailed strategy, catching high probability in trades most traders miss. Paste the code into a new strategy script and add it to your chart. Slow down the video to nail the parameters. One wrong setting can screw the results. The stats: over 60% win rate, 700% returns, and a steady profit curve. The 18% drawdown might raise eyebrows, but lower your risk per trade to 10 or 20% for safety.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
As I promised you earlier, make sure to check out the recommended playlist and videos on your screen to learn how to turn any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot and automate your strategies all for free. There you go. 2 pro-grade strategies that would normally cost a fortune. Yours for free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, or drop a comment with questions. Happy trading, and I'll catch you in the next one.